Morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Why is this broadcast doing this? Yeah, I don't know what's going on with OBS right now. OBS is acting pretty dumb. Um, but we're here. Hopefully, everybody can hear me. Everybody can see the screen and whatnot. But right now, we did just shift back bullish here on ES. Google looks like we're about to go into money at that 340 here. I do want to see like a retest of this range. We could try some QQ Scout or Spy. So pretty much looking at ES right now. If Qs can hold above, or not Qs, ES can hold above 69.78, we should see some more upside. Take a stab at it. $394, yeah, $394 calls. Pretty much want to see this 3-minute range hold up. As long as price stays above 69.78, we should see more upside. And honestly, I should take a bigger. Hold on, I just need this green day for now. Um, we're getting in the same exact trade again. Then we're gonna go ahead and take SPX. SPX is currently at 69.60, 69.60, 69.60, 69.60, 69.70. Whoa, 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 why are 69? Oh, the cost so expensive. Hmm. All right, we need to see a close above pretty much as high. Close above this high, we rock it up. We could easily still stay around this range. Hmm. Price just has to hold above 69.78. As long as price does that, we should see more upside. And then we do need to see a break above 86. If we can break above 86, this should like this place up some, potentially even take out. Like I said, I don't know what previous day's high just yet, but we could go definitely take out this high at close. So if we can get above 86 here, we should push up to 7K. However, this price action this morning was a little wacky. We started off bullish, went bearish, and then went back bullish. And oftentimes you see that is not ideal price actions to trade. But I do think we can definitely at least get this push up to daily open on ES or NQ. One of the two should do them. We pretty much just got to hold up that 3-minute range. So far, price still looking good. We do need to see some expansion here pretty soon. And ideally expansion to the upside. If this trade gets stopped out, we're 100% just going to chop. And at that point, I will call it a morning early. Because we already started off, well, technically the day is still bearish on the higher time frames based on like overnight session and whatnot. But yeah, we started off bullish, went back bearish, didn't really make a low or take out the lows. Then we shifted back bullish, and if we close back below this 3-minute range, then we would flip back bearish, which pretty much implies price is chopping. 30 seconds left in this 3-minute candle. Five-minute has to hold up this fair value gap range. Is this your silver bullet? I think it is. Yeah, it's your silver bullet. So pretty much if buyers are here, we have to hold up this fair value gap. Close directly at it on a 3-minute. The silver bullet's just not being respected. Yeah, it's price action. Price action makes no sense. We're going bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. Yeah. We got 2 minutes left. MSCR puts. Holy shit, Tesla. Yeah, we're stopping out. This price action is retarded. So price action pretty much has to break out of this range. I wouldn't touch this right now. We're just too back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So pretty much the fact is that the silver bullet didn't get respected. And then we also closed below midnight open. It's kind of leaning towards some downside here. I would need to see 69, 62. Let me see. Yeah, I need to see a close below 69, 62. I'll take one last trade. Price action is just nasty right now. Like we're not taking out buy side, we're not taking out sell side. And we had SMTs with NQ. Yeah, NQ's ugly too. I mean, NQ's uglier. Oh, these are data lows. All right. Qs should push down to data lows here. I'm actually gonna scalp this with some size. Take a decent size scalp if we close below this 15-second range. Yo, what is going on with this price action? We should have shifted bearish already. Even the lower time frames is going back and forth. Yeah, no, I'm not touching that. The fact is that even the 15 seconds doing this right now, we just shifted like bullish to bearish to bullish to bearish even on the 15 second. Price is chopping too much. Not ideal for trading whatsoever. We'll probably get a cleaner setup around 11 o'clock. For now, I am not going to touch this. I just don't think it's worth it. Yep, I did get stopped out. Yeah, I got stopped out. Price action just going back and forth, back and forth. ES took out this high, NQ didn't. NQ is literally reversing off of thin air right now. I mean, you have this hourly fair value gap, but ES is also very much giving back and forth price action. So ES is respecting the bullish POIs like we did here on this hourly fair value gap. However, none of the lower time frame POIs are getting respected, like whatsoever. So it's like, hey, this fair value gap should have been respected. This fair value gap should have been respected. And we also closed below midnight open. Now buyers are stepping in again. Yeah, this is a very, very, very ugly price action. Very ugly. On the lower time frames. On the hourly, it's not that bad. I could see what's being respected. Like it's the hourly fair value gap on ES and also the hourly fair value gap on NQ. However, the lower time frames are so choppy. Yeah, we had that pop, and now we're going right back down. We just broke the news. Still a whole lot of back and forth price action. I mean, pretty much on the 5 minute, if we mitigate these bullish fair value gap or bearish fair value gaps, um, even more chop. And now we're starting to shift back bullish again. Yeah, this price action is disgusting. Um, I'm not trading this. Vigo doesn't look bad. We talked about West Fargo yesterday, I think. Um, so if I'm not mistaken, Google should be in the money. Google's still $1 out the money. Uh, what do we still have? We still have 340 calls from yesterday. Took the trim at close. This thing should run. Oh, I just bought puts. What am I doing? Oh my goodness. Wrong side of the trade. Google pretty much says hold up above this range. Like if we do expand back up, I'd just rather be in on common stocks. Google's moving a little bit smoother than NQ and ES right now. Too much back and forth price action. That is not what you want to be trading, especially not on a Friday. So we're pretty much stuck in this range on a 5 minute. We can break above 69.84. We could break out of the range if we pretty much close back below 69.60. We see some downside. For now, we're just stuck in this range and not really doing much. Pretty much we'll look to trim Google at high today, and then take another trim at 340.50. ES struggling to break out of this range. Yep, and ES cannot break out of this range, which means more chop. ES has to close above 69.83. ES closed above 69.83. We should keep pushing up on everything else. Yeah, we're just stuck in this range. Oh, yeah, I'm calling it a morning. It's too much back and forth. We're just stuck in this range. We're not breaking out of the range. It's not worth trading this, especially not on options. If you're trading it on futures, then yeah, just trade this range. When we hit the bottom, go long. When we hit the top, go short. In terms of options, personally, it's not worth trading it. Tesla is still mooning now. Same thing with AVGO. Hmm. NQ, same thing. SMT on NQ. Yeah, I'm calling it a morning. I'll close the rest of Google. If we close below 37.58, pretty much this range right here. ES and NQ, we're just range bound. Take a look at ES. We went to the bottom, to the top, to the bottom, back to the top, and looks like we're headed back to the bottom here. So as long as we're in this range, personally, I am not trading it. I'd rather just wait for this range to break out. We pretty much get a retest of some type of point of interest and then get much cleaner price action. For now, this price action is not ideal whatsoever. More so just very much scalpy price action. To where you can take it from the range, top to bottom, and pretty much get out. So I'll wait till that range breaks, and then I will see you guys later for Power Hour. Big FVG on the 5 minutes on ES, above 69.78. Which one? Which FVG are we looking at? Honestly confused sometimes when you guys call out these things, because it's like, I don't see it. I don't see it. There's no fair value gap here at 69.78. I mean, there's a bearish one that just formed. No bullish one. Oh, you said 5 minute, 5 minute. Um, Even then, the bearish one got mitigated. We created this bullish one. It's about to get mitigated. This bullish one got mitigated. Yeah, price is just too back and forth. Oh, that was 10 minutes ago. So what are you talking about? This one? This one? This one? Yeah, just sit in your hands. Today's ugly. Very, very ugly. But the good thing is with this type of price action, around like 1 o'clock should be a lot better. So we'll just have to kind of just be patient until then. But for now, I am gonna call it a morning. I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day, and I will see you guys for Power Hour. And then also, the meta trade recap will drop today. So be on the lookout for that. Take care, everybody. Have a good one.